Hey y'all, Angie here. Today we're going to talk about the Terro Garbage Guard. If y'all are like me and you put garbage in your garbage can in the summertime and it heats up in there and it starts to draw in all the nasty critters, you end up with maggots and bugs and spiders and all kinds of crap in your garbage can. I'm looking to do away with that. So I'm going to try these Terro Garbage Guards. These are supposed to last up to 4 months. They get rid of spiders and flies and earwigs and silverfish and pretty much any critter that would be in your garbage can. So these are super easy to apply. Again, they last about 4 months in an enclosed space. So let's get to it. So in your container, you've got your sticky strip, which I've already pulled off of both sides of this, and your little container box here. This is super easy. All you have to do is just stick one side on there, open up your trash can lid, just stick it right there, close it down, and you're good to go. Well, that was super easy to apply. I'm hoping for a bug-free zone here for 4 months.